Today I'm going to be hacking away at this 7.5 inch by 5 inch chunk of wood. I think it's cedar, I'm not sure. It's been sitting around for a bit. But yeah, I'm going to try to get a little vase out of it. We'll see what happens. I hope you folks enjoy this video. Most projects I started off with my roughing gouge. I'll be using my flat scraper here shortly. And then I'll go with the wrong carbide. Now I'm going to create the tenon for the chuck. This way I have a means of holding the vase when I start to turn the inside. My parting tool to give an illusion that the vase is actually sitting on the base of the vase. I purposely didn't record the sanding of the exterior of the piece. I did sand it with 80 grit, ended with 320 grit. And this time I'm going to use some stain instead of the pure walnut oil. I'm going to be applying a light coat of oak stain, and we'll see how it works out. Now time for parting the piece. This is probably the most nerve-wracking portion of any video for me, because you never know what's going to happen. I always wish for the best. Here's the outcome of my labor. Came out nice. I like the way it looks. I like the way the stain worked out. I might use stain a little bit more often. And really nice finish. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.